before you watch this video, before you like the video, before you do any of that, make sure you have the bell notification on. Make sure you got all notifications on, so every single time I drop a video, your ass gonna be in the loop. All notifications on. I guess this is really officially where the video starts. So I don't know how long this video about to be, but I'm just shooting right now, so that's what I'm doing. So, I almost feel like maybe I should have came out here today, but stand clear of the gun line, tell your mans. Stand clear of the gun line and tell your mans. Stand clear! That's a hit. Damn, I need to take my time. I keep rushing the shot. I'm just so damn eager to show and shoot. Again, we're just shooting. And I have not cleaned this Glock, and I don't think I've cleaned it since I had it. I should have glasses on, but I don't, and I'm not. This is my favorite gun. It ain't even in the... See, the issue, what I'm learning is the issue is not, it's not really with the support hand. It's the dominant hand. My dominant hand is the hand that is what is depicting upon whether or not all these shots land or not. It has nothing to do with the support hand. I mean, my support hand, don't get me wrong, it's there, but I feel like it's, the pinky is key, is what I noticed. And I know I've seen a lot of videos, and if you practice shooting, that's what I advise you to do when you got a dot on generally. If you don't see a dot, it's because you're not gripping tight enough with the pinky finger. Grip tighter with the pinky finger, I guarantee you that dot will probably appear. That's what they say in the videos, and from what I just experienced, it works. So, throwing the mag to you, take accountability for it. Stand clear, eyes and ears. Man, that shit, I gotta turn my dot down. It's too bright still. Now I can't see anything. Yeah, that's fine. I can barely see that green one. It's too green. Oh, still hit it though. Knock the spinny target over again. Dog. Knock the target down. What we got? Body. Told you. Body there. Was daddy too rough? Everything just going crazy. Get back, fam. Get back, fam. That was a graze. I wasn't happy with that. I need another mag. Mag, come in, take accountability. Now I knocked the spinny target over. Now we only just gonna shoot. All right, what's the name target? You only getting 2 rounds in?
Yes.
Stand by. Oh. Hit it. Let's run that again. I didn't like that. I got 2 rounds on me. I'm gonna make them count. So how I'm gonna do this one is draw, pile, run down here to the far end and shoot the second target. She ran perfectly. But I will say One thing I need to I need to do better on is running and moving. Like running and while I'm in the process of, you know, I'm getting my shot as I'm running and I can squeeze. That's what I'm trying to do. Let's run it back. We'll finish it out with the spinning. Hit. No. That might have been a miss. No misses. Oh, lied. No misses from here on out. Whoa. What? Jerking the trigger, jerking the trigger, jerking the trigger. No more rounds, bro. You serious? Why is it not changing? What the fuck is wrong with Hollow Sun? Why is it acting so stupid? Alright, we ready. Stand clear. 12 yards away. Oh, this dot is too fucking bright. Come on, man. You got those rounds? Toss it, just toss it. You only got one bullet in there that whole time? That whole time you only got one bullet in there? What are you doing? This is the easiest mag to load. What are you doing? Let's try this one. Let me try. Damn. You knocked the damn steel off. Oh no. Yeah, we done knocked the steel off. Damn. You alright? Damn. Damn. Where's the bolt at? Oh, here it go. I got the spring. Now I just need the screw. So now we got the little small spinning target and the spinning target and the yellow target. Uh-oh. Shooter ready? Always. Stand by. Shooter ready? Always. Stand by. Shooter ready? Always. Stand by. Shooter ready. Damn. I need one more. We're doing pretty good. Oh. I don't know what that was. I think that was we had a light primer strike. That's MagTech 115 grain. Light primer strike. Is it a light? Actually, no. That's a hard primer strike. That's a hard primer strike. I don't know what's going on. Let's keep going though. Check that. I got 3 rounds left. Yeah, I don't want to shoot. I'm not putting that bullet back in there again. That would be stupid.
That's not done.
Eyes and ears.
Yes.
Oh, hold on. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Hold on. Mag incoming. Stop jerking, calm down. Hold on. Why is it 9 rounds in here? See what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? Like, even the glasses don't even want to be here. Like, hold on. What's happening? That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm ready. All right, ready. Shoot, ready? Stand by. Oh, I'm supposed to do 1 shot reload. Let's do it again. 1 shot reload. Shoot, ready? Stand by. My dot. Let's try it again. Cause you got 1 in this mag, and 2 in this mag, and 2 in this mag. We gon' try it again, run it again. Yep. Stand by. Dry. I knew I was dry while I jerked the trigger like that, I don't know. This is the PSA dagger. I only got 1 shot loaded in here. Let me see if I get the steel with 1 shot. Nope. These sights are off. I'm telling you, the sights on this gun is off. That's why I don't shoot this gun. I swear, the sights have been off. Probably fuck with it. Maybe that's the reason why. Yeah, it's probably because I messed with it. All right, let me see. Sound clear. Oh. Yeah, I don't know how far off these sights are. These sights are off. So I saw this training from, I think it was Austin Trainings. Shout out to Austin Trainings. Put a spent shell casing on top of here, and see if you can basically walk without dropping it back and forth. Because he basically said if you could walk without dropping it, then that's a good way to practice maintaining your sight picture when you're moving and shooting. Because moving and shooting is very hard. I think you gotta roll your feet. Right? What is it? I think you start off when you go forward is heel toe, but going backwards is toe heel. So it's like, it's heel toe, yeah. It's heel toe going forward, and then it's toe heel going backwards. And we got the reverses on. Yeah, this shit hard. Still hard though. A toad?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Right.
Yeah. Oh, there you go, right there. Oh wow.
I've never seen it, and it's small.
Hey, Mr. Toad. What up, though? There's a big beaver or something running around. I think everything is a beaver. Shout out to Mom for the GoPro. I appreciate you and I love you. I hope you're feeling better. What?
It's a swarm of flies.
Are we gonna stop and sit in them? Or are we gonna keep going? Targets falling off and breaking. You name it. Creativity was just shot on this one. Tried to get out here and shoot some steel. But I was humbled again because, again, I'm not as good as I thought I was. Well, I'm decent, but I'm not as good as I should be and as I did think that I was. Sleep? What the fuck is sleep? You don't sleep. You sleep, bro. You bugging. You bugging. Drop a like, drop a subscribe, do something. Do something. If you ain't gonna do nothing, learn something from me. Spend a little bit of time with me. Hit the like button. You will learn something. Always make sure you clean your hands after you dealing with guns and bullets and all that lead and all that stuff be on your hands. It can make you sick. Just some rocks. Just some rocks! There's a mosquito in here. You bitch. Come here. Get out of my vehicle! I got you what you need. I need you all you need. I'm begging, baby. Turn shit off. I'm about to run to